Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we'll be discussing the third chapter of computer. The third chapter is Advanced Feature in Excel 2016. Excel 2016 offers various advanced features such as flash fill to fill a cell range based on a pattern, sorting to arrange data in particular order, filtering to view selective data that meets a certain condition, and conditional formatting to format the cells based on a certain condition. Let us learn about these advanced features. Using flash fill. The flash fill feature in Excel 2016 recognizes the data pattern in a cell and fills other cells in a range using the same pattern. Consider the given worksheet 3.1, which consists of some famous Indian sports persons with their first and the last name. Let us use flash fill to combine their first and the last name. First, type the full name of the first sportsperson in cell C3 and press the enter key. Being typing the second name in cell C4, as you type flash fill identifies the pattern used in cell C3 and displays suggestions for the cell range C4, C9. Then press enter key to accept the suggestions. The cells C4 to C9 are filled automatically with the full names of the remaining sports persons. Then sorting data. The sort feature in Excel 2016 rearranges the data in a worksheet in a specific order. You can use this feature to sort data by text, A to Z or Z to A, numbers, smallest to largest or largest to smallest, and dates and times, oldest to newest or newest to oldest, in one or more columns. Sorting data on one column. To sort a range of cells on the basis of one column, click a cell in the column that contains the data you want to sort on. On the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, click Sort A to Z button to arrange the data in ascending order, Sort Z to A button to arrange the data in descending order. Then Excel sorts the data as per the section 3.5 and 3.6. Sorting data on multiple columns. You can sort the data on the basis of multiple columns in a worksheet. To sort data in multiple columns, select a cell range with two or more columns. Then, on the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, click the Sort button. The Sort dialog box opens. Under Column, in the Sort by box, select the column on which you want to sort the data. Then under Sort on, select Values. Then 5. Under Order, select A to Z or Z to A to sort text values. Then smallest to largest or largest to smallest to sort number values. Then oldest to newest or newest to oldest to sort date or time values. Then click the Add Level button to add a new column to sort and repeat step 3 to 5. Then click the OK button. Then Excel sorts the data according to the specified options. You can see in figure 3.10. Sorting data by color. You can sort a range of cells on the basis of the font color of the data or the background color of the cells. To sort data on the basis of font color or cell color, first select the cell range that contains the data you want to sort on. Then on the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, click the Sort button. Then the Sort dialog box opens. Under Column, in the Sort by box, select the column that you want to sort. Then under Sort on, select Cell color or font color. Then under Order, click the arrow next to the button and then, depending on the type of format, select a cell color or font color. Then in the last list box on top or on bottom, On top, to move cells containing the cell color or font color to the top. On bottom, to move cells containing the cell color or font color to the bottom. Then click the Add Label button and repeat step 3 to 6 to specify the next cell color or font color. Then click the OK button. Excel sorts the data according to the specified options. Filtering data. The filter feature in Excel 2016 lets you display the rows that meet a specific criteria and hide rows that do not satisfy the criteria. You can use this feature to find out and work with specific data in a cell range. Filtering data hides row temporarily. Once you have filtered data in a cell range on one column, you can apply filters on other columns to get the desired results or clear a filter to redisplay all the data. Excel provides two ways to filter cell ranges: on the basis of specific volumes in the cell range and on the basis of specific conditions to values the cell range. To filter data on specific values in a cell range, click a cell in the range that you want to filter. On the Data tab in the Sort and Filter group, click the Filter button. You can see in figure 3.16 and 3.17. Then remove the check marks for the values you want to hide, or remove the check mark before select all and then check mark the value you want to display. Then click the OK button. Excel displays the rows containing the cells that match your filter condition. The row numbers of the filtered rows turn blue. A filter icon appears in the column heading of the column on which the filter is applied. Custom filter. A custom filter helps you filter data based on specific conditions for values in a cell range. To apply a custom filter, click the cell in the range that you want to filter. Then click the filter control of the column heading on which you want to specify the filter condition. The filter menu appears. Point to number filters or text filters and click one of the predefined conditions or custom filter from the submenu that appears. The custom auto filter dialog box opens. Then under show rows, where select a filter condition from the first list box and specify the desired value in the second list box. Then click the OK button. Excel filters the second data as per the specified filter condition. Filtering data by color. You can also filter data on the basis of font color of the data or background color of the cell. To filter data on the basis of font color or cell color, click the filter control of the column that has color formatting. Then in the menu that appears, point to filter by color and then pick the cell color or font color you want to filter by. You can see in figure 3.25 and 3.26. Excel filters the data as per the selected color. Figure 3.27, you can see how a red color is selected. Removing filters. To remove filters, select the column heading on which a filter has been applied. Then on the Data tab in the Sort and Filter group, click Clear button to remove the filter condition, then Filter button to remove the filter condition as well as filter controls from the column headings. Conditional formatting. The conditional formatting feature in Excel lets you apply formatting to cells according to the conditions you specify. Conditional formatting makes it easy to highlight certain values or identify particular cells. To apply conditional formatting, select the cell range you want to format. Then, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button. A drop-down menu appears. Point to highlights, sales rules and then click the type of rule you want to create. A rule dialog box opens as per the selected option. Then specify the values for the rule in the text box. Then click the arrow next to the with list box and then click custom format. The format cells dialog box opens. Use the controls in the format cells dialog box to specify the required formatting. Then click the OK button to close the format cells dialog box. Click the OK button to close the rule dialog box. Then Excel formats the cells that specify the condition as per the specified option. Note, Excel enables you to apply multiple conditional formatting on a cell range. For example, you can set a condition for cells that are greater than some values and separate condition for the cells that are less than some other value. You can specify unique formats for each condition. Removing conditional formatting. To remove conditional formatting, first select the cells on which conditional formatting is applied. Then, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button. Then a drop-down menu appears. Then point to Clear Rules and click Clear Rules from selected cells or Clear Rules from entire sheet. Excel removes the conditional formatting as per the selected option. Using Format Painter. The Format Painter in Excel allows you to copy all the formatting from one cell to other cells easily and quickly. To copy formatting using Format Painter, select the cell that contains the formatting you want to copy. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter button. The mouse pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Click and drag the paintbrush over the desired cells. Thank you all. We have completed our third chapter, which is Advanced Features in Excel 2016.